Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. You are definitely a real one. So I love this time of year when the holidays roll around because there are a ton of sales. And I was able to catch a really good sale at Bath & Body Works. So I'm going to be sharing a haul of all of the things that I purchased at Bath & Body Works. I'm gonna let y'all know all my favorite scents and fragrances from there and all that good stuff. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please keep on watching. And before we get started, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, of course. You can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And do not forget to click on that notification bell so you do not miss out on a single video. Okay, so first things first, for the little small items that I got, I ended up picking up another one of their lip masks. This is the Coconut Nourishing Lip Mask, and y'all, I really do love this. Y'all don't sleep on the lip products from Bath & Body Works because they are really good. This one is my favorite though. This is a nice thick consistency, but it's not super tacky. So if you like the lip balms or lip masks from Summer Fridays, the consistency of this one is the same. It gives this nice glow and it feels amazing on your lips. I like to use this overnight, and when I wake up, my lips feel like butter, okay? But again, this one is in coconut, and I think this is the only one they have, but yeah, this is the only one that I've tried, but I really like it. So something that I absolutely love at Bath & Body Works are their concentrated room sprays. They're really, really great because one or two sprays really last you a long time, and it's very, very powerful. So I picked up a handful of their concentrated room sprays, and I am so in love with these, y'all. I use them all the time. I use them in my room. I use them in the restroom, all throughout the house. Basically, anytime I need to like freshen something up or just have a nice lingering scent, I definitely like to use these. I also like to use these in conjunction with the candles, and it is just amazing. So some of the scents that I ended up getting is Ocean. This is a really nice aquatic scent. I ended up getting Cactus Blossom. This is actually my favorite scent. I also like this in their candle. I got Rose, Water, and Ivy. I ended up picking up Crisp Morning Air, and then I also got Snowflakes and Citrus. I have a ton of these, so I just picked up a few that I was kind of running out of, but I use these all the time. Love them. I also ended up picking up an essential oil spray. I like to use this as a room spray, but you can use this on your body as well, and I love the aromatherapy one. My favorite is the Eucalyptus and Spearmint. It is just so calming and relaxing. This is my absolute favorite aromatherapy scent from Bath & Body Works. So I had to get me a room spray. So I also picked up some foaming body washes, and these ones are also from the aromatherapy line. Again, y'all, I love eucalyptus and mint. This is seriously my jam. So I got that in the foaming bath like body wash, and then I also got the Energy, which is the orange and ginger. Love both of these. They smell so, so good. Again, I like to use these ones when I'm just trying to have like a nice, relaxing time. This is perfect for like self-care nights or self-care days. I like to run a nice bath, use this, add in their little bath bombs that they have, and then I like to light one of their candles. It's a vibe, y'all. It is a vibe. Okay, y'all, so one of my absolute favorite scents from Bath & Body Works is Into the Night. First of all, let me tell y'all, don't sleep on the fragrances at Bath & Body Works, okay? I know they have body mist, but this one right here is so good. First of all, it performs so nicely. It is like beast mode performance. This actually reminds me of a designer fragrance. It is so beautiful. There's like these berries in here and like these deep musks and ambers. I am so obsessed with this fragrance, y'all. Every time I go into Bath & Body Works, I have to grab it. So I have a big one, and then I also purchase a little small one for whenever I travel. I also have the hand creams. I am obsessed with this scent. Again, y'all, don't sleep on Bath & Body Works, okay? People be trying to shade the scents from Bath & Body Works, but I love them, okay? I absolutely Love them. And this one is definitely my favorite among them all. Again, this one just reminds me of something fancy. It reminds me of a designer fragrance. And I actually get a ton of compliments whenever I have this on, especially when I put the lotion on as well. People are like, girl, what you have on? And I always tell people it is Bath and Body Works Into the Night. So I definitely had to stock up and grab some of their body mist. So another scent that I really love from Bath & Body Works is Sweater Weather. Now, I actually didn't know they had body products in Sweater Weather because I'm used to only buying it in a candle, but I saw that they had body creams and also a fragrance mist, so I purchased the body cream and the fragrance mist, and I probably will go back and get the body wash as well. But ooh, I love me some Sweater Weather. This is so beautiful. It has like this nice crisp fruitiness to it, but it's also very warm. It's so cozy, and it just reminds me of wearing a nice warm sweater. So it says that there's autumn leaves in here. There's also crisp apple and orchard woods. This is really beautiful though. I think this is unisex, but I just love this scent. So I like to wear this one at nighttime, and it just gives me this nice cozy vibe, like I'm chilling by the fireplace, and I'm just so in love. But yeah, I just love Sweater Weather. Oh, it just smells so good. So if you like the candle, it smells exactly like the candle. So I would definitely recommend checking out the body products, because if you're like me and you didn't know they had body products in Sweater Weather, they definitely do. So go ahead and stock up. And then they also introduced some new Christmas fragrances, and there were only two that I really liked from the newer Christmas fragrances that launched. The first one is Winter Peach and Marshmallow. This is a nice fruity marshmallow fragrance. I only got it in the body cream, but this is a nice fragrance if you like peach. It's a warmer peach, it's a deeper peach. I know typically they have some other peach fragrances that are like super fruity and super sweet, and they're not really deep or warm, but this one is a little bit warmer. I think it's because of that marshmallow that's adding a little bit more depth to it. Of course it is still sweet, but I do really like this one. I think this is perfect for the winter time, and I cannot wait to rub it all over my body. And my favorite from the newer launches that they just came out with is this one called Cotton Candy Champagne. Ooh, this smells just like cotton candy, but that champagne adds a little touch to it. I feel like it makes it a little bit more mature, and it makes it a little fizzy. So I ended up getting it in the body cream, and then I also got it in this little small body mist for whenever I travel. I actually went back online and got a full-size body mist because I really do like the way that this smells. I think that this is going to pair really nicely when I layer my fragrances, which I love layering my fragrances with Bath and Body Works products. It just helps it to last a little bit longer, and it also creates a really nice unique scent. So I cannot wait to layer this cotton candy champagne with some of my more sweeter fragrances. I feel like it's just going to go off so nicely. But this is a really good scent that they launched this year. So if you haven't checked this one out, I definitely recommend doing so. Again, this one is Cotton Candy Champagne. Also ended up getting this body cream in sugared Snickerdoodle. First of all, I love me some Snickerdoodle cookies. And honestly, this smells just like a Snickerdoodle cookie. It smells like sweet. It has a little bit of cinnamon to it. Ugh, it's so delicious. It really does smell so good. So I only got the body cream. I didn't see a body wash or anything else in my Bath and Body Works, but I really like this. It smells so good, like a snack, okay? This is definitely one of those Netflix and chill kind of scents, and this body cream is gonna go well with some of my gourmand fragrances. I'm already thinking about like fresh cream, warm cashmere. I'm thinking about some other really sweet and warm fragrances that this is going to pair nicely with. So yeah, I really like this one as well. If you want to smell like a snack and very delicious, check this one out. The last fragrance and scent that I purchased is Vanilla Bean Noel. Okay, I feel like Vanilla Bean Noel is like the OG at Bath and Body Works. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like Bath and Body Works and even Victoria's Secret, they are like the OGs for creating these gourmand, edible scents, body mist, lotions, all the things that are edible. They take me back to my childhood because I remember shopping at both Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secrets when I was younger, and I would always go for like the warm vanilla sugars. They have like a bare vanilla at Victoria's Secrets that smells so good, but I feel like they're the OGs for creating this really sweet, warm, gourmand fragrances, and Vanilla Bean Noel is like an OG. I've been wearing this one and using it since I was in high school, probably even middle school. It only comes out around the holidays, but I look forward to it every single year. So I ended up purchasing the body cream because I absolutely love this stuff. I also ended up getting their 24-hour moisture whipped body butter. This is the one. In the wintertime, I definitely need a body butter, and this one is really good. The formula is great. It's got a nice thick consistency, and it helps to make my skin feel so smooth and like butter and like a snack, okay? I'm gonna be smelling like a snack all winter long. And then the last thing I got from Vanilla Bean Noel is their body scrub. I'm gonna be pairing this with the body butter, and again, y'all, my skin is about to be so smooth, and I'm about to be smelling so good. All right, y'all, so that's everything that I ended up purchasing in the store at Bath and Body Works. I ended up making another order online because at the time they were offering 40% off of everything, so I really had to stock up. I did not purchase any candles this time though, because as y'all know, if you're a Bath and Body Works lover and you're a candle lover, you know that candle day is probably approaching very soon. So I decided to wait on the candles and try to stock up on them during candle day. I love their candles, by the way. But that is everything that I ended up getting. I want y'all to comment down below and let me know what your favorites are from Bath and Body Works, okay? Again, don't sleep on Bath and Body Works. They have some great scents. They have some great products that are so good, and they're great for layering. They're great for using on their own. And also, Bath and Body Works has some nice gifts as well. So again, don't sleep on Bath and Body Works. But I just want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. Again, if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. You can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and on Twitter. I'll have all of my information linked down below in the description box. And I will talk to y'all later. Have a great one and be safe. Bye.